Now we are going to introduce how to add a bus maintenance data. Please click Car Management and then click Bus Maintenance. Please click Add and then please choose the bus company and the plate number and which type do you want to maintain. Maintain or fix, so we can choose maintenance, and the date is today, and how many days will it spend on maintenance. After finish, please click Submit. Please type in how much is the fee. And how many miles does the car go for now? And what's the pay date for this maintenance fee? And today, and how many days. Will you spend on this maintenance? After finish, please click Submit. You can also edit this maintenance data. And then please type in how many is the quantity you want to replace the belt, and what's the unit price for this belt. And what's the quantity of oil separator, and what's the price of oil separator. And please type in the description. If you have other item, please type in here the quantity and the unit price and the name of this device. After finish, please click Submit. Also, you can add an application here. Please type in the day you want to pay. And please select the method you want to pay, for transfer or check or cash. So we can select the transfer, and please select your department. After finish, please click Add. That's the whole process of how to add a maintenance data and how to add an application.